Minimum requirements for protective measures, part 1. Let's go. Fencing. Fencing is a great way to deter and delay unwanted visitors onto your property. Depending on what type of threats your location faces, will dictate the K rating of the fences. Lighting. Lighting not only deters and detects criminal behavior, but it lessens liability for providing a safe environment at your location. Standard minimums for lighting should be 5 lumens, which equal out to 54 lux. Don't worry, the Security Coach Academy will go into more details regarding K rating, lumens, and lux. In the next video, we will give you 2 more minimum standard requirements for protective measures. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button for more tips and information that will enhance your security skill set and take you straight to the top of the security industry.